Good evening, Professor. So for this assignment, I created a split form, and to do that, I opened the document that you sent, and I saved it as A04B1 split / and then my last and first name. So when I did that, I then opened a new form, and then I imported the documents from the previously mentioned form. So I did that by hitting external data, and then I went into this, and then I went into from a database, and then I went into Access, and that's how I found. And then I searched the form that you had sent us, and then from there, I was given the option of what I wanted to import, and I was told to import the books table and the books form. So there was a column with tables, and I hit books, and then there was a column with forms, and I hit books as well, and I imported those. So from there, I got this. And that would be this table of books, and then this form books, and then the split form books. So I was then told to, once I did this, I needed to change a couple of things. So in this here, I went into new data source, and I could view all these in different ways. So for this, let me see. Oh, here we go. View, design view. There you can see here, and then we have form view. You can see that. So for the table here in design view, I had to do a couple of things. First of all, I needed to create a theme, and the theme they wanted was the integral theme. So that was in the form, actually. So what I did was I went into here. Let's see, view here. Go back to home. View this as, let's see, layout, and then this view. This as, let's see. Oops, sorry. All right. And so here you can see this, and the theme is blue. It's the blue that they wanted us to make it. The title I needed to make a size 14, so I was able to do that. And then, see in here, I was able to make it a size 14 here. The themes are actually right here, and they wanted the integral theme. So I selected that over here. And then they also wanted this filler of the title to be in medium gray. So I did that, and I went into home, and then the fonts, and I'd hit medium gray. And then to switch to form view. So I kind of was able to navigate this a lot easier. The hardest part for me was importing this data onto this. At first, I kept opening the document that you had sent and was trying to import what was already there, but then I reread it and I noticed, oh, it said to create a new document, and from there I was able to, once I had previously saved the document that you had sent us, I was able to import that. And once I did that, everything else was pretty much just like physical changes to the material. So I did all that, and creating the split form. So yeah, this is my first time creating a split form. It's my first time experiencing this, and I was able to learn how to do all of these changes, like changing the font here and the themes and importing data from another source. So that's what I kind of learned from doing this assignment.